Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download landing pages using Wix for rental lead generation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Wix website. Log into your Wix account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, click on the Create New Site button. Select a category that best fits your rental business. Choose a template that appeals to your target audience. You will be taken to the Wix editor with your selected template. On the left sidebar, click on the Add button. From the menu, select Section to choose the kind of content you want to add. Scroll through the options and pick a section that highlights your rental offerings. Drag and drop the chosen section into your page layout. Customize the section by clicking on it, and then select Edit. Replace the placeholder text and images with your own rental information. Use high-quality images of your rental properties to attract potential leads. Adjust the text color and fonts to match your brand style. Next, add a contact form to capture leads. From the left sidebar, click on Contact Forms and choose a style you like. Drag the form onto your page and position it prominently. Customize the form fields to include name, email, phone number, and message. Set up a confirmation message that leads will see after submitting the form. To make your landing page more engaging, consider adding testimonials from past renters. Click on Add again and select Testimonials to add this section. Adjust the content to reflect real experiences from past customers. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the Preview button to view the page live. Check all links and forms to ensure they work correctly. If everything looks good, click on the Publish button in the top right corner. You can then choose a custom domain or use a free Wix domain. After publishing, copy the URL of your new landing page. Share this link across social media platforms and through email marketing to drive traffic. Monitor the performance of your landing page regularly for optimal lead generation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.